Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we spotlight the best classic motorcycles for sale across the USA. Let's dive into 15 fresh vintage finds. Number 1. 1969 Triumph TR6R, $4,750, New York. This red 1969 Triumph TR6R delivers authentic late 1960s British twin performance with timeless styling and strong road presence. Powered by a 650cc parallel twin, the TR6R remains one of Triumph's most respected models from the era, appreciated for its balance of torque and classic character. The seller notes it runs and rides well, making it a usable vintage machine rather than just a garage piece. It features rebuilt forks, a recently rebuilt carburetor, and good tires, suggesting solid mechanical upkeep. The paint is reported to be in good condition, though there is a dent in the oil tank from a previous owner. At $4,750 in New York, this TR6R presents a ride-now British classic that could also be taken further with a full cosmetic restoration if desired. Number 2. 1984 Harley-Davidson FXWG, $12,500, Louisville, Tennessee. This 1984 Harley-Davidson FXWG stands out as a collectible late-era shovelhead finished in original red paint. With fewer than 1,000 miles on a balanced and blueprinted engine built by Megaflow, it combines originality with high-level engine work. Notably, 1984 marked both the first belt drive system and the final shovelhead offered in the FXWG line, increasing its historical appeal. The bike includes its original exhaust and carburetor, along with new tires, battery, and charging system. Professionally tuned and reportedly starting on the first kick, it has also earned multiple trophies, including a Best of Show award. At $12,500 in Louisville, Tennessee, this FXWG is positioned as a premium collector-grade Harley. Number 3. 1958 BSA Super Road Rocket, $8,490, DeLand, Florida. The 1958 BSA Super Road Rocket represents classic British performance from the golden era of motorcycling. Showing 15,738 miles, this 650cc twin has been owned by the seller for 11 years and described as a reliable, enjoyable rider throughout that time. A recent Magneto rebuild resolved a warm start issue, and the seller notes it is easy to crank despite being the heaviest bike in his collection. Offered only due to downsizing, this $8,490 DeLand, Florida example blends collector appeal with genuine rideability, ideal for enthusiasts seeking a true late 1950s British icon. Number 4. 1982 Honda Nighthawk 650, $4,000, Xenia, Ohio. With just 8,554 miles, this 1982 Honda CB650 SC Nighthawk is presented as a very original, unmodified survivor. Known for its smooth inline-four engine and dependable performance, the Nighthawk series remains a practical and enjoyable vintage Japanese standard. This example has been fully serviced, including ultrasonically cleaned and synchronized carburetors, refreshed front brakes with new DOT4 fluid, a new fuel petcock, fresh oil and filter, new battery, and 2 brand-new balanced tires. With all electrics and gauges functioning properly, this $4,000 Xenia, Ohio listing offers turnkey reliability with classic styling. 5. 1988 BMW K75, $4,000, Durand, Illinois. The 1988 BMW K75 is known for its smooth, three-cylinder engine, shaft drive, and long-distance comfort. Showing 18,000 miles, this example runs and drives well, offering a solid balance between classic appeal and modern usability. The seller notes it needs a new battery, but the title is in hand and the bike is otherwise ready for its next owner. At $4,000 in Durand, Illinois, this K75 presents an affordable opportunity to own a durable and respected BMW touring platform from the late 1980s. Number 6. 1972 Suzuki T350, $2,250, Smyrna, Tennessee. This 1972 Suzuki T350 is a classic two-stroke twin from Suzuki's early performance era. Finished in black and reportedly running great, the T350 is known for its lively power delivery and lightweight feel, making it one of the more entertaining mid-displacement bikes of the early 1970s. These models have developed a loyal following among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. The seller notes that it was somehow titled as a 1973 by the original owner, though it is identified as a 1972 model. At $2,250 in Smyrna, Tennessee, this T350 offers an affordable entry into vintage two-stroke ownership with strong nostalgic appeal and usable riding condition. Number 7. 1970 Norton Commando 750S, $10,000, St. Paul, Minnesota. This 1970 Norton Commando 750S is a rare and desirable S model, recognized by its distinctive upswept exhaust pipes. Showing 6,797 miles and owned by the seller for nearly 20 years, it represents a long-term kept example of one of Britain's most iconic motorcycles. The 750cc parallel twin and isolastic frame system helped define the Commando's legendary reputation for performance and character. Described as very clean for its age, this St. Paul, Minnesota listing presents a collector-grade British twin with rarity on its side. At $10,000, it reflects the growing demand for well-preserved early Commando S models. Number 8. 1979 Yamaha XS, $3,500, Dewey, Arizona. This 1979 Yamaha XS has been rebuilt into a street tracker-style machine and is described as an excellent runner. Finished in yellow and licensed in the seller's name, it features new wiring, a new regulator, new battery, and numerous additional fresh components. The electric start functions properly, adding everyday usability to its custom style. Upgrades include fully adjustable rear shocks and a Yamaha Radian swing arm, enhancing handling performance. With a manual included and priced at $3,500 in Dewey, Arizona, this XS offers a ready-to-ride custom build with thoughtful mechanical updates already completed. Number 9. 1974 Vespa 150 Super, $5,000, Saugatuck, Michigan. This 1974 Vespa 150 Super stands out with its unique pink finish and largely original condition. Described as a beautiful vintage scooter, it has been inspected by a mechanic prior to listing, offering added reassurance for prospective buyers. The 150 supermodels are appreciated for their classic Italian styling and simple, reliable two-stroke engines. While the seller has not personally ridden it and cannot verify mileage accuracy, everything is described as original and in great shape. At $5,000 in Saugatuck, Michigan, this Vespa presents a stylish and collectible option for those looking to add a distinctive European classic to their garage. Number 10. 1977 Kawasaki KZ200, $1,100, West Bend, Wisconsin. This 1977 Kawasaki KZ200 is presented as a clean and complete small displacement project. With good chrome, a nice seat, and solid side covers, it appears cosmetically appealing overall. The engine kicks over, and the seller has the title in hand, but it has not been started after sitting for several years. It will require carburetor cleaning and fuel tank attention, as the tank may need lining due to rust concerns. A replacement left chain side cover is included. At $1,100 in West Bend, Wisconsin, this KZ200 offers a budget-friendly winter project that could become a fun and economical in-town rider once sorted. Number 11. Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $6,400. Idlewild, California. This Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is described as an excellent running example that starts right up and rides strong. Shovelhead-powered Harleys remain highly desirable among enthusiasts for their unmistakable sound and classic American V-twin presence. The bike features Barney's-style forks, adjustable panhead trees, Delcron cases, and a California blue tag, along with several other custom components. Priced at $6,400 in Idlewild, California, this Shovelhead offers a solid blend of performance upgrades and vintage Harley character for riders seeking an authentic old-school machine. Number 12. 1975 Honda CB360T, $2,000, Jackson, Minnesota. This 1975 Honda CB360T shows just 4,680 original miles and is presented in blue with a clean, well-preserved appearance. The seller states that it starts, runs, and rides properly, with everything functioning except the horn. Known for its smooth, parallel twin engine and approachable size, the CB360T remains a favorite among vintage Honda enthusiasts seeking a lightweight and enjoyable classic. With excellent condition tires and a few tasteful upgrades, this example is described as being in fantastic shape for its age. Priced at $2,000 in Jackson, Minnesota, it offers a low-mileage, ready-to-ride Japanese classic that balances originality with usability. Number 13. 1982 Honda CB650, $1,300, Menominee, Wisconsin. This 1982 Honda CB650 is listed as used in fair condition and running, though it requires a new battery. Powered by Honda's dependable inline-4 engine, the CB650 delivers smooth performance and classic early 1980s styling. It's a solid platform for riders looking to step into vintage multi-cylinder ownership at an accessible price point. The bike will need tires, a brake lever, battery, and attention to the front right blinker. Offered at $1,300 or best offer in Menominee, Wisconsin, this CB650 represents a budget-friendly project with strong potential once the necessary maintenance items are addressed. Number 14. 1971 Triumph 750 Trident, $6,900, Waterford, Wisconsin. This 1971 Triumph 750 Trident shows only 3,050 original miles and is described as being in very good original condition. The Trident's triple-cylinder engine marked a significant moment in British motorcycle engineering, offering smooth power delivery and distinctive character. Low-mile examples like this are increasingly sought after by collectors. The bike features electronic ignition, a new battery, fresh fluids, adjusted valves, and a properly set primary chain, along with a clear title. At $6,900 in Waterford, Wisconsin, this Trident presents a well-maintained British classic with strong collector appeal and mechanical updates already completed. Number 15. 1980 Yamaha XS650 Spirit II, $975, Kelowna, Illinois. This 1980 Yamaha XS650 Spirit II has 12,334 miles and is finished in burgundy. The XS650 platform is widely respected for its durable parallel twin engine and strong aftermarket support, making it a popular base for both restorations and custom builds. The seller notes that it runs and rides okay, with major lighting components and gauges functioning properly. Turn signals currently do not work, likely due to a switch issue, and the rear brake and front tire will need attention. With a clean title and a price of just $975 in Kelowna, Illinois, this XS650 offers an affordable entry point into classic Yamaha ownership and solid project potential. Those were 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the USA. If you enjoy discovering vintage deals like these, make sure to like and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more daily updates.